Biostats class group 9, and we are doing lesson 4. Is everybody ready to start the group meeting quiz?
Yes.
Yep.
Yes, I just got it pulled up.
Okay. Okay, so our question 1 is, I completed the individual preparation assignment before attending the group.
True.
True, and save. Question 2, I actively participated in this week's group meeting, and yes, we are. Okay. I'll start on the first one. Use the following information to answer the next 3 problems. Human blood can be classified into one of 4 basic types, O, A, B, and AB. The proportion of people in the population of the United States with each of these, just a second, I can't see. Each of these blood types is summarized in the following table. Blood types and the proportions given in the table above define a probability distribution, true or false.
True.
So
True.
they do add up. Okay.
Yeah.
If you add them all up, it adds up to 100.
Perfect.
Okay, question 4. Or should I do, or somebody else want to do the next one?
Or you can just read it out loud. Or
Okay. What is the probability that a randomly selected person in the United States has type O blood? Round to 2 decimal places.
So I think we're just reading off the chart. So isn't it just 0.45?
yes.
That's what I've got.
Okay.
Okay, question 5. What is the probability that a randomly selected person will not have type O blood? Round to 2 decimal places.
So 0.65.
I think it's going to be 0.55.
5.
That's what I had
Yes.
also.
Wow, I can't do something.
Oh, it happens. Saturday evening.
Yeah, that'll be my excuse.
Okay. Somebody else want to read? Or should I just keep going?
I'll read the next one.
Okay, go.
Carolyn Willis and her colleagues conducted a study in which dogs were trained to detect bladder cancer. The dogs were trained to lie down next to a specimen derived from a bladder cancer patient. Tangle, one of the dogs, demonstrates the identification of a specimen. 7 bowls containing urine were lined up in a random order. 6 of the samples were from patients who did not have bladder cancer. 1 of the samples came from a person identified as a bladder cancer patient. Question 6. If the dogs guess at random, what is the probability they will correctly identify the dish containing the specimen from the bladder cancer patient round to 3 decimal places?
Mm-hmm.
Decimal 143. Is that what
Yep.
everybody got?
Yeah.
Mm.
Do you want me to read the next one too?
Sure.
In a combined total of 54 trials, the dogs correctly identified this specimen from the cancer patient 22 times. It's very unlikely that the dog would do this well by random chance alone. Which of the following statements is most appropriate? This provides strong evidence the dogs can detect bladder cancer, or there is little evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer. I'm thinking the first choice.
Yes.
Yeah, me too.
Does everybody agree on that?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Well, we get another chance if we guess wrong. Okay. Who wants to do the next one?
I can do it.
Okay.
M&Ms are small chocolate candies. The M&Ms website previously indicated that in the United States, the distribution of the colors in a bag of plain M&Ms is given in the following table. Question 8. If you reach into a bag of plain M&Ms, what is the probability of drawing a red-colored candy? Round answer to 2 decimal places. So 0.13.
I know, right? Okay.
I'd rather read questions about M&Ms than bladder cancer urine.
Yeah, I'm envious, Kelsey.
What is the probability that a random selected candy is green? Round to 2 decimal places.
I got 0.16. Anybody
I
else?
did too.
Yep, correct.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to do another one, or you want to switch it over to Oscar?
I can do it.
Another M&M.
Yes.
What is the probability that a randomly selected candy is not green?
84.
Yep.
0.84.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, I guess I'll read the last one. So, everyone ready to go?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so the ACT scores of students admitted to a medium-sized public university in the Western United States were taken from capex.com. The following summary statistics were calculated. Question 11. Half of the observations are less than or equal to what number? So it's a median, so 24, right?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay,
Wait,
and
wouldn't it be if it's half then or equal to, wouldn't it be the mean? Because not the median is the middle number, not necessarily.
yeah, so half of the observation, and mean is like a representation of the average.
Oh, you're right. Oh, that's not
So we agree 24, right?
yeah.
And question 12. So based on the information on the table above, the top 25% of the students scored above what number? And I chose 27. So it's Q3.
Agree.
Yeah.
I can just finish it up, right? So question 13. Which of the following statements is not one of the 3 rules of probability? So the first one is the probability that an outcome will not occur was 1 minus, yeah, that's a correct one. Probably 0, 1. Oh yeah, so I think the answer choice 3, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
That's a short quiz tonight, guys.
Yeah, just,
Well, we're not done, right?
I think we're done.
Well, we have to do, in the preparation, it said something about in part 2 on lesson 4, it said, you will fill this part out during your group preparation session.
it's just 2 problems with the,
Yeah.
the 8-sided die. We can solve them right now.
But I mean, this is when we do it, right?
I mean, if you want to, yeah. Do you guys want to submit the quiz?
Yeah, let's do that.
Oh yeah, I submitted mine.
Yeah, me too.
How do we do? I'm behind you guys here.
Hey.
Okay, good.
All right, so let's do the problems.
Yep. You want me to go first?
Sure.
Yes.
Okay, so under part 2, the first one is number 5. An 8-sided die has 8 possible outcomes. Calculate the probability of rolling a number greater than 5. 5 or 6, 7, and 8, so that's 3 over 8.
Yep.
And
Yep.
so 0.375.
That's what I got.
Okay. So not getting a number greater than 5 is just 1 minus that, so it'll be 5 over 8, which is 0.625. Okay.
That's it, right?
Yeah, I think so. So do you guys want to meet on Tuesday at the same time?
Works for me.
I'm super. You know, Oscar, you said you felt like it was rather late because what do you got, PT in the morning?
Yeah, but I'm clearing the post right now, so I'll be. I should be out by the end of the next week. So I'm not. I don't exactly know if it's the first half of the week or the second half of the week. So I'm comfortable with, like, if you guys want to meet at what is it, 7 month time, right? It's like 7 p.m. right now.
It's 7 Pacific time. I think we're trying to talk in Pacific time because it's Peggy's time.
Okay, 7 Pacific,
yeah.
and I think it's just like 1 hour behind me. So yeah, it's okay.
Okay, so it'll be 9 o'clock your time on Tuesday. Is that okay? And it'll be 8 o'clock
Okay.
Kelsey's time on Tuesday, and it'll be 7
Yep.
o'clock Peggy's time on Tuesday.
Yeah, I'm good with that if everyone else agrees.
So we're still doing 7?
For you, yes.
Okay. Did we finish everything on that last part? I'm wondering. I don't know if I'm.
Yeah, it was just two questions.
Okay.
Pretty easy week.
Are we sure that's right? I know last week about killed me.
Yeah,
But
well, I think
I hadn't looked ahead at the quiz, so I was doing it as we were going. It's like, oh my gosh.
yeah, I think chapter 5's a little harder.
You think what?
I think 4 is easy, and we should celebrate that. I think 5's a little harder.
No, no. I haven't looked at that, so now you're scaring me. How's 5 compared to 3?
Well, it just has a little more in it, I think. So I think we
Okay.
should just be happy that we have a short day on Saturday, and I think Tuesday will probably take us a little longer.
Okay. Yeah, I'm thrilled that this one was how it was, because I was not. I was concerned last week.
Yeah.
All right, you guys have a nice weekend.
You Tuesday.
Okay. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.